So let me say this up front. You don't need to start from scratch to make real income online. No, you don't. When I found out that I can launch a peaceful and profitable business using a done for you product that I didn't have to create myself, everything shifted. I have absolutely no burnout, no more overthinking, no more confusion. I just have a simple path, a peaceful one and a soft one. And that's what I'm going to show you in this whole video series. So I'm super, super excited about this series. And this is video number 1. I want to officially welcome you to the Start Your Own Soft Life Digital Business Series. And this is not just a walkthrough, right? This is a turning point for you because inside this video series, you're going to learn exactly how to customize your own digital product and resell your offer, keep 100% of the profits. And not just that, right? I'm also showing you the same 4 simple phases that you can use to create your own digital product if you want, and if you want to expand to that in the future. So by the end of this series, you're not only going to have a full offer ready to go, you'll have a full income funnel and a strategy to back it out, so back it up for you. So this soft life that I'm speaking about, we're going to make this digital income, and I want to help so many women to achieve their goals of wealth and success. And we need some money to do that because we want to live these soft lives. And yeah, I'm always, you need some money to be able to do that. And my goal is to help you to get there. And using these strategies that I use personally in my own business that has really, really helped me to catapult my income in my business. Now, here's the truth. You can earn 3K, 5K, or even 10K this month and beyond with this business model. But here's the best part. You're doing it with ease, with alignment and peace. I am not giving you any type of complicated funnels. You don't even need a massive audience, just a product that people want and a system that actually sells for you. Let me first tell you why I chose this route. After being in publishing for so many years, I still love writing and publishing my books, but I really, really, really dived into all this done for you business space. I've been doing it for a while. Like even my channel here, I talked about PLR products, master resale rights products. And I always was fascinated about it the years, even being in publishing, being a speaker and a coach. But what I have noticed here lately, especially here in 2025, how much easier it is, how much easier it has been on my nervous system when it comes to making money online, is that I had to get rid of my ego that just because I didn't create it does not mean it's not valuable. Just because I did not go in Canva and create the template does not mean I can't sell it, right? So just because someone else created it does not mean it's not useful for me or my business. So those are the things I had to let go of pride, that the only way I can be successful is if I create it from scratch. That is no further from the truth. And you know how I know is because a lot of the things that we have, we wouldn't have if someone didn't recommend it. We wouldn't have it if someone didn't give us a link and say, hey, I got this here. So I look at my business like affiliate marketing on steroids, except for I'm not waiting to get paid. Nor am I, I'm not getting a certain percentage. I'm getting 100%. Right. So that's what the master resale rights come in. But don't worry, I'm going to go over all of that. But I had to start talking about why I am passionate about this area of done for you products and why I curated this whole soft life business around it. I am so passionate about helping more women like us, like to earn life changing internet money. I have done it. I've seen a lot of women do this. And when I started, I was tired of piecing things together. I was tired of trying to learn everything at once. And then when I found Done For You digital products, or you might hear me say DFY, um, it just makes sense for me, right? It was the fastest path that I've been able to make income from, because let's be honest, if you can follow simple instructions, you can launch this business. So in this video series, what you're going to walk away with, a product. First of all, okay, it's down below in the description. I'm going to teach you, how to customize your product, how to make it yours, your name, your brand, your design, how to set up your funnel, how to start selling fast, okay? And because the product is already created for you, you're not starting from zero, okay? You're starting from ready. All right. So again, go down below in the description, go to mysoft.lifebiz.com. I got the free guide for you. I'm not charging you anything for this. I really want to help more women, and this video series is really going to catapult you. So if you go through this video series and you don't have your product set up, honey, I don't know what else to tell you. Okay. But that's my goal, for you to go through this series, get your product, get your business up and running so you can make some money, honey. Okay. This is like me coaching you one-on-one, but just via video. But first, what is DFY? I've been saying that, Done For You. So DFY stands for Done For You. Okay. That's exactly what it is. This is a digital product that's already written, is designed, is packaged. All you have to do is make it yours and start sharing. Okay. Again, I had pivoted to DFY because I wanted passive income. I wanted to build something once and have it continue to work for me. And that's what this model offers for me. Repeat sales, okay? Evergreen income, soft life energy. And this is why I'm doing this, because I want this for you. Okay, I want you to wake up to money, honey, but you need something to sell, and I got all of that for you. Now, what makes this business model so unique and why I like it so much, okay? With most online businesses, you're still trading a lot of time for money, but it's nothing wrong with that, okay? Nothing wrong with that. With DFY plus resale rights, you own the product and the profits. So this is not exactly like affiliate marketing where you earn a small commission. It's definitely not drop shipping where you deal with inventory and shipping headaches. This is a business, okay, where you sell your own product without creating it, okay? You keep 100% of every single sale that you make. All right. Now let's go into PLR. You may have heard me say that term, private label rights, and what that means for you. Okay. With this specific guide, or even in this training that I'm going over, the guide that is below, you don't just get the resale rights, you get private label rights. That means you can brand it, right? So you can put your name on it. You can rewrite it if you want. You can rename it if you want. You can resell it as your own. You keep all of the profits, okay? And you can sell it at any price point too, over and over and over again. It's literally your business in a box, okay? Now, I love talking about legacy and freedom over here as well. And this bottom isn't just about the money, okay? It's about what money makes possible. I'm talking about more mornings with your kids, more peace in your body, more choices in your life, more time freedom, more alignment, those things that you like to do with your time, even picking up some hobbies, okay? This business is about ownership, okay? And girl, when you own the offer, you own the income. Okay, that's why I love this business model. It's about ownership. But more importantly, is what you do with what you own as well, which is in this series. That's my goal. I don't want you to just download the guide that I have for you and then just let it sit on your Google Drive. I want you to download it, make the changes, rebrand it, and start selling. Because the information is valuable, okay? Once you get it, you'll be able to see. So when you get the guide, right, you're going to find that The guide is broken into 4 simple steps to launch your first digital product, and you take your time with it, where you can move really, really fast. Okay, it's up to you. Now, some women take the guide and they launch in a weekend, some take a month. Okay, there's no wrong pace. It's only your pace. All right. So if you're ready, I want you to click down below, go ahead and grab the guide and start walking your own soft life business path. And I look forward to checking in with you in the next few videos in this series as we go through how you're going to build your soft life business. Okay, so this video is like the introduction to everything, but I want you to stay tuned and let's get it going. And the next video, we're going to talk about goals and all those things about your business, because my goal is to make sure that you have a solid foundation. Okay, so go ahead and make sure you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, also hit that hype button, hit that notification bell, so when I upload the next video, you'll be the first to know. But I look forward to being with you throughout this series, and cannot wait to see what you not only create with this guide, but I cannot wait to see you get to the money, honey. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, girl.